compact Tyre repair kits are available, but this is about more than a gadget. Because on UK roads, tyre issues aren't just inconvenient, they're linked to over 5,600 casualties. It's a massive problem, with more than 3 million punctures happening every single year. Tyre problems were the AA's second biggest call-out last year, needing over 600,000 attendances. So, are these kits a suitable roadside fix? We'll break down the tech. So, why has the dependable spare tyre, a staple for decades, started to vanish from our cars? The answer starts with car manufacturers. An increasing number of modern vehicles are now sold without a spare. They do this to save space and reduce the vehicle's weight. A spare can weigh 20 kg, while a kit is a fraction of that, improving fuel efficiency. There is also a human factor. Many drivers simply lack the confidence to change a tyre on a dark, busy motorway. This intentional design choice by automakers has created a serious need for a new type of emergency solution. That's where the repair kit fits in. So we understand why they exist. But how do these small kits actually get you moving again? What's inside this box that can replace an entire wheel? And you're about to find out if it is a permanent fix. The kit has two main parts: a liquid sealant and a small air compressor. The process involves injecting the sealant through the tyre valve to plug the hole. Then you use the compressor to re-inflate the tyre to a safe pressure. Its primary advantage is speed and ease. It's much faster than a manual change. But here is the most important part. This is a temporary fix. It's designed only to get you to a garage, not to drive on for weeks. After using sealant, the tyre requires immediate professional inspection. Often, the tyre itself must be replaced because the sealant makes a safe repair impossible. Knowing it's a temporary fix is one thing, but what are the exact situations where you can actually use it? Ideal case: a simple nail puncture, less than 6 meters wide in the central tread. Here, the kit works as intended. You're moving again in minutes. But now, a common UK scenario. You hit a pothole. RASI patrols attended over 29,000 pothole-related breakdowns in 2023 alone. The impact causes a tear in the sidewall. In this situation, the repair kit is completely useless. The sealant can't plug structural damage. This isn't just a practical limit, it's a legal one. British standard BSAU 159 dictates only punctures in the central tread under 6 meters are repairable, so we know when a kit won't work. But can using one, even correctly, create entirely new problems for your car? The biggest hidden risk is to your tyre pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. Most modern cars have these electronic sensors fitted inside the tyre. The sticky sealant can clog and destroy this sensitive component. This turns a simple puncture into a costly replacement of the sensor and the tyre. User error is another serious factor. Using too much sealant can make a tyre that was professionally repairable completely unsalvageable. So, to answer our earlier question, the kit is a temporary tool for a very specific problem. It's a gamble when knowing the rules and risks is everything. You must remember that a professional repair done to British standards is made to last the entire remaining life of the tyre. A kit is not. So, with all this information, where does this leave the average UK driver stranded at the roadside? We've seen the huge number of punctures and that new cars lack spares. We also know kits fail on common damage like sidewall tears. This creates a service gap. That gap is being filled by the rapid rise of mobile tyre fitting services. These services come to you and perform a professional repair at the roadside. And the technology itself is changing, with things like self-sealing tyres that can automatically fix small punctures. This could be the next step. It all comes down to a larger shift in our vehicles, our roads, and our own preparedness. These kits are a useful, convenient tool, but only in the right circumstances. A lifeline for a small puncture, a false hope for major damage. The most powerful tool isn't the kit itself, but the knowledge of when to use it and when not to. Understanding its limits is what keeps you safe. So here's your task. Check your boot and see what you actually have. A spare, a kit, or nothing. Learn how to use it before you're stranded. What's your plan?